Pozdrav svima, ja sam Remo i u današnjem klipu radimo Try Not to Laugh Challenge i sa njim je tu moj drug Stefan. Pa hajde da počnemo.
Alright, one trick pony. Make it hard for him to find the handle to swing over the mud pit? That's affirmative. Oh! No! Yeah! Them all. Oh! Drink torpedo. Thank you for your service and your trust, which we don't deserve. Oh! Oh! So the day is low crawling on the course. Oh! Go, Julie. Seem real. Quite a bit of time. Trained man than a Marine, Johnny. Get out of here, Smokey! Oh! Fight that cheddar! Holy shit! Maybe they're looking for a dignified way to get that cheddar. Cheddar! 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 Speed walk, skip. Whoa! Travis cruising for that little guy in the baseball uniform. Oh! Pinky up! Oh! Oh! Burger flipper, sir. That one coming. Oh my heavens! And she didn't dream of that one coming either. It just goes to show you, John, no matter how untalented their talents may be, there's always one thing they end up being good at. Wiping out. Across the corporate ladder. Hey, they speak Spanish, Johnny. I can help them out here. On three. Uno, dos, tres. Trace and a half. Is it my dialect? What's going on here? 2, 3. Whoa! Like glam. They really need to get it together. The Wipeout laundromat wearing satin flutter panties, and there is no delicate setting. Oh! That was just like the buzzer beater she had against the Crenshaw camisoles in '83. Yes, it is. Employee Rodney's picking a bad spot to nail. Oh! I fear he's just gonna hit the wall again. Oh! Those new recruits are always so optimistic. Yes, this is the one. Boots strapping himself to the sweeper arm. Oh! Hits the deck. Still testing it. Fly Jettis with a 98-degree turn. Oh! Right to be all he can be. Ah! Boots, the rookie Marine, moving into a forward area. Yes! Putting his leather neck on the line. Oh! Right, whipping boy. Got it.
It's me cracking the whip.
I know. I added the sound effect. Track coach employee and USC orientation boss are off with our non-Spanish speaking Spanish TV employee getting a push. Oh, just a massive few. Let go! Coach! I said let go! Pulling behind him. Yeah, Tom. Whoa, hold your horses, Trojan boss, Tom. Crap. Well, only one needs to make it to advance. Trojan man employee. Oh! Timing is everything. Trojan man employee Matt. Oh! Catapulted out of the Coliseum. Chance to change pay grades. Oh! English. A huge slide. And it could about me. Oh! And you can't keep your mouth shut about it.
I did notice there's 2 places for a headshot.
What are you getting at, Vanessa?
I would think it would be John Anderson and John Henson.
Hey, she's right. Come on, Anderson, you're about this kind of thing. You're classy. Oh, you're a gentleman. Ah! Are you here? Fruit. Small fry versus big fry. Whoa, trying the old potato wedge. Oh, was that a hold until you hang up and buy a new computer?
Oh, Molly seems to be having her own kind of technical difficulty.
Cheesy boy band.
Oh! Contestants run into technical difficulties on the course, John.
Oh. Cannons don't spray for peace.
Not Magandhi. Not gonna make it that way. Oh my gosh!
Marina, water in them!
No, but you'll need a few shots if you drink some.
Oh! In her work, and we're pulling a stunt on her. Hanging on, Lansing.
Yeah.
Oh! Girl sound a little punch drunk. Crashing the ball wall party. She's way over the legal limit. Oh!
Next one's yours.
Oh! Stunt child. Oh! Right by Miss.
Family of 4 spinning pitchforks that doesn't show favor. Like take Philadelphia natives Tom and Colleen Campbell, for example. It treats father just like daughter. Oh! They both get spanked. I can't stop talking about it now.
Well, you have to, Johnny, because our next contestant, or competitor, go. Oh! This is... She'll offer you a homemade pie.
Rosenberry. Munchkin.
Oh! And grab the zip line, and, well, you'll see.
Oh! Look at her hang on, John. She just might... Oh! Fun for the whole family. Oh. But I've been wrong before. Oh! The rhythm. Oh, right in the face. Squeaky toes. No, that's a contestant having trouble on the Yule log jam. Ah, the relaxing sounds of the Yule log. That says holidays to me, Johnny. Here goes Happy Holiday.
No. You gotta look up.
All right,
Under that spanker bar, she's trap time.
these are popped. Oh, ouch! Right into the snowdrift. Oh!
Oh, she pulled up for easy. A Dewey Decimal System. Oh, I think she paint stamped her head.
Shot in advance.
Oh,
That was pretty good.
Beaverful flies over the spanker bar,
Getting right back up.
Oh, mercy.
Oh, I missed that though. What brought him down? Brittany Beavis looks like she's about to jump bail.
Did you just say Beavis?
Yeah. That's her name, Jim. Oh! Up!
More about the feel.
Oh! Thank goodness, at least you didn't. Oh! It plowed from behind. Well, that's the city works department for you. Did it with a grudge. No turning back now. No! He's made of here on the big ball. Motivator gave him twice the distance on his jump. Big ball. Good. See how that looked to Elise on the smash cam. Please. Oh. Well, she likes it rough, John, as Jill found. He's ever heard of an internal monologue? Whoa! That's right. The sky's the limit. But the joy we get from the big balls knows no bounds. Yeah, like a goose down comforter, our big balls bring warmth on. Can't miss them.
Oh, she didn't get that warm up, really?
Cool, man. Double threat.
Ah, yeah, that stops the ball. Pops block. Ah, he's on her
Bank and get that grand. Oh my goodness. Oh, and he gets a mouthful of slush.
Close your mouth.
Sound advice, if it looks like that going down, imagine what it looks like coming out. We got a gift from God. A middle-aged man in swim trunks? We got plenty of those. What makes this guy so special? Whoa! Did he just do a belly flop on dry land? Indeed, he did. Sweet! Can he do any other cool stuff? All right, one-trick pony. Bet he wishes these guys' voice.
And we love the
Motivator here for crowd control. Please step away from the big balls. Using his extra cartilage to achieve full speed. Oh, yeah. Oh, the land shark went after those big balls like they were land seals. Bring up to the classic big balls. No hesitation here. There's a princess to say. Yeah.
Ja mislim da je bilo to, vrate. To je to bilo u sljedećem klipu, mislim u sljedećem, ostavit ću vam njegov link u deskripciji, tako da vidimo se, poj.